Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So if you guys never caught the last video where we went to this vegan spot called Chefing Don, you don't know, that is a place that empresses like these go and get thick. But check out that video, it's really cool. It was good to go back there and see everything. But anyway, this was the original plan for today, which was to check out a spot that my uncle Khan, had mentioned to me that has really good vegan food that is on Orange Street, downtown Kingston. So I found the place, not so hard to find. It's just in between where Dennis Brown's studio is and where there is also some furniture building spots. So we are here right now and we'll go up there and see what kind of ital food them have up there. Tiffany,
I'm excited.
It is a belly full, but you know.
Me this one?
Eh?
Very cool.
This was literally like 30 minutes ago. But anyway, we'll go up there and hold some food. I guess we can compare. Like which one feel more, you see me? Yeah.
Excited for that. Can't wait to try it.
Alright, yo, so let's get into the video. Alright, for just some quick reference. That's the sign over there, so. Kinda nice, but that's a sign. And then the place, the up there, so that's where we're forward. Ready? Well, there's gonna be like a bunch of stuff. Yo, the man them are free already. Yo! So these are the ends. You see me? Take a step on some ital music I go on, so you don't know it thinks it's dirty. I'll go on higher.
Yeah, sell some 5, yeah.
I sell 5?
Yeah.
How much I sell the pipe for?
700.
700?
Yeah.
Alright, watch out now, man. Go hold on for you. 700.
Yeah, 1,000 now. I have 1,000. I have 1 because I said patch of a broke. Yeah, 7.
Yeah, 7 for 7 bills.
Yeah. I'm looking at that. I'm looking at something. I'm eat like a 1.5.
Facts. Alright, so I'm going to buy one of them from him. I'm going to pay the $1,000 still, Pete. You see me? So, anybody that actually wants this pipe, just let me know and I'll ship it off to you guys. It will be a gift from Soai. Yeah, part of the trip, part of the memories. Give me your best one. Want the nicest one of you. When I say Rasta, Mr. One.
Yeah, so that's what they use on.
Wow. So this one is what? This. I think more on that one. Spirulina?
It's actually, in terms of 7 different,
Separate different vibes in it?
Yeah. From the sea.
Oh, like seaweed type of stuff?
Yeah.
They make a good talk on that thing, where I must say, if you see the pumpkin seed as green, them not good. They're manufactured. So I must say, them actually is the real thing. And then true, when I open a pumpkin, I never see a green pumpkin seed. It is always this. So this is how we go munch pan right now, at the moment, and wait till the food ready. So everything is a vegan thing. So I get the breadfruit bun as a bread bun, and you will get the polenta. Polenta is a cornmeal. It's a form of cornmeal mixture, isn't it? So, alright. Alright, so here is more of the vibe I needed to go for still, in terms of when you come to a Rasta spot, you want to see it, you see me? The real kind of roots Rasta Jamaican vibe. So when I get that here, I'm gonna try this pumpkin seed thing. What you feel about the vibe?
I love it.
You like it, don't you?
Really amazing vibe.
And what I kind of like is just it's hidden off in a downtown Kingston. It's like you wouldn't know say rawness of this type of greenery or you know
This type of vibe.
this type of vibe, is it? And of course, anything apart Rasta, you go get some nice little info and things. You ever go like a Rasta yard before?
Yeah.
Nice.
Same vibe.
Same vibe. It's just unique to that type of culture still, you know.
Yeah.
Like,
Much safer. Feel safer.
yeah, I don't feel like I'm downtown again. Sorry. Alright, so I'm gonna go sit down and try this thing.
This is actually, he said 5 different greens from the sea. This is what the fishes consume. That's what they said. Contains spirulina, kelp, some other nice things. Some other nice green things. It's nice though.
Yo, this our shot. You that eat it and believe, say.
Chicken or shrimp.
Yeah, man, I believe, say, I go this one regular little pumpkin seed, but it have spice on it, like it roasted, you know, some spice and thing. It's really nice. And you just eat everything. Same way, so. It's really good. You know, like, no. What other juice you have?
Stinking to and tambourine. We have a fruit.
Actually, it is nice and
With tambourine?
Yeah.
Together, yeah, give me one of them.
Alright.
Yeah, man, best.
Actually, it is nice.
It tastes nice?
Yeah, it is
Interesting.
nice. A nice refreshing taste.
It almost tastes like gummy bears, but just blended out. That's what it, yeah, whatever flavor gummy
Really
bear.
nice though.
So it have that kind of gelatinous
Have
type of
spirulina, kelp, purple sea moss, you say,
purple seeds.
and 2 other stuff I can't remember, but it's basically the five different greens from the sea.
And
This
I
is what
got
the fish
like,
consumes.
it look healthy as hell.
It tastes good.
And it tastes healthy. There's a vibe, man.
Boy.
Different thing. I encourage people to be eco-friendly. Don't we're not the road, so I just alone. I tell you the plastic part.
Yeah.
White people from all over the world come back and
Yo, them are actually look nice. You know? How much you sell them for?
from $1,000, 15 bills up.
Them are nice, man. Whoa.
I love this. I love these.
I like them one, because with a whole one, as in, get to the subs them, isn't it? Yo, these are beautiful. I'm like about them don't look like, them almost look manufactured. Which is a compliment to itself, because it means that them not hurry up and done. Them not hurry done. Which me like. And you feeling them smooth, yo.
If you have non-stick pot in the yard, you can use them.
Yeah. Is that man outdoors me cooking up?
Yeah, but you can use a non-stick pot outdoors.
Yeah, man.
I say if you use a metal spoon and a non-stick pot.
No good scratch off the material. I use I call it cast iron. So I need.
I'm a good for all the presents.
Them are the vibe. Here what I do? My boy. How much you spoon them? Cause I'm gonna give these away. I'm gonna buy them for myself.
Which one you know?
I think spoon one nice one though.
Your spoon.
Yeah. I think the spoon will be cool.
Anyway, we're gonna roll the cameras, wash them off. Wipe it off.
I got live again.
Alright, so
15
15, yeah, more than one. Alright, so I'm also getting one of these for one of you guys. So drop it in the comments if you want the pipe that I got earlier or if you want this, and I'll ship it off to you no matter where you are. If you're in the US or whatever the case is, I'll get it for you guys.
original axe.
Yeah, the
You know
ankh
about
pendant.
the axe, right? You know what it represents?
It's like a religious sign.
No, well, it represents life. You
Life.
see this part right here?
Yeah.
It represents the woman. So this
Okay.
represents the womb. And in the middle, that's where the child will come from.
Okay.
And this is the ovary, the egg,
Okay.
right? This part represents the male penis,
Yeah.
right? So basically it's saying man, woman,
Woman,
and child.
child.
So that is the trinity of life. So it's not Father, Son, and Holy Ghost.
Ghost.
That's 3 men.
Yeah.
That's the homosexual ideology that they bring from Europe and try to make the whole world accept that.
Yeah.
So what them do now, the Christian them now, them pop off the woman
Yeah.
and then put 2 penis on meat. So when you wear a Christian cross, you represent homosexuality and you celebrate homosexuality. And you know celebrate life. And you celebrate 3 men, Father, Son, and Holy Ghost. So this represent, this actually older than the cross. This is what they saw when they came to Akibulan, Kemet.
Yeah.
That was the name of Egypt before the European changed it to Egypt, right? No, they saw this, didn't know what it was and what it represents. So they steal it and they put different things on it to make it look like they are the original. But this is the original, alright? You can come sit down and eat the shit.
That interesting, cause I never did know, say, yo, that was a thing. Learn from
you
that.
Know your roots and culture, you know what I mean?
Before we go into this, I'm gonna show them this because the lighting nice. Really quick, you see? Oh, that can lift up to, whoa. Yo, vibes. Yo, this, I've never seen a burger like this one anywhere yet. It's a freaking breadfruit burger. So the buns are made from Jamaican breadfruit.
We don't use gluten, so we don't use bread flour.
Yeah, vibes.
We're not gonna use white flour nor brown flour.
Vibes. And the patty is made from like beans, chickpeas and stuff.
Chickpeas patty, that's the burger.
Yeah. And this now is a polenta.
Yeah, that's a polenta.
Polenta burger. So I think the polenta is made from cornmeal, but it's very flavorful, right?
Cornmeal is a turned cornmeal bread.
Yo.
We don't use gluten. Stay far from gluten.
Facts.
Most of the things that we do, we don't shop at supermarket.
Alright.
You know what I mean? Shop at market.
Coronation Market now. Alright, so we're gonna take a quick look, move really quick. Take out my spoon that I have for you guys. Alright, so this is another spoon here. How much, if somebody come and say I want to check out that spoon and buy it, how much should I sell it for?
Spoon, $3
$3 for that spoon.
Yeah.
Which not bad enough. Honestly, the only reason I'm gonna get that spoon is because I know that this one just more, is it me?
One of a kind.
For more functional. So I roll that one up. Yo, this is some really nice carving work. See that? So pineapple upon it like a sugar loaf pineapple. You see me, and you get this fork with the ink. If you guys really enjoy this video, drop a like on it, drop a comment, and I might just come back and get these spoons here so I can send it off to you guys, or take somebody else, or Tiffany and Paige, because Paige don't deal with gluten. Vibes. Yo, these are really neat and them smooth too. Alright, so see you now.
Ready?
Yeah, man.
Hold on.
Confirm taste.
Yeah. Now what I make because the boss did it, yeah, for honest for my video, you know.
Not really good.
Yeah, man, make you know. What you
Really
get from it?
flavorful. In the wrong border. You can taste the whole of the flavors in.
First time I eat polenta, yeah?
Absolutely.
I had polenta once in New York, but I've never had a polenta bread. That's a
this?
vibe.
These are that's our sauces.
Okay.
Dates and tangerine.
Oh, dates?
Tangerine and dates.
Oh, God.
I know me, I tell you, you're picking away dates. Yo.
Nice, wow.
Video this to you, yeah? One of a kind.
Yo, that one I see. How much is this one?
I want that $2 for effort and the design.
That one is sick, man. Sure, no, this is a nice one.
Some people would just hang it up in their mouths and then use it like a decoration, you know what I mean?
Oh, you can hang it up.
But me that just carry anywhere we travel with it.
Yeah.
Carry it over. This one now is a breadfruit burger.
Alright, I'm gonna try that one now. Right, here.
Tiffany?
So look on this, guys. You see me? And this is close to Coronation Market. You guys might have seen that video. That video has like about almost 1 million views on it. I'm gonna drop a link so you guys can check it out. So everything fresh from Coronation Market. I'm not gonna move far to get the food. So I'll go hold it. Like some I've never eaten before. I get a nice sweetness from the date them, which I love.
Guacamole in it.
Yeah? May I get that, man, because it have a lot of dimensions on it. Like the lettuce them crunchy. Is it made the breadfruit have that little roasted flavor to it. The dates have that sweetness. And then the guacamole, I never really have
tamarind and date sauce. Tamarind.
Yeah. If you eat Jamaican tamarind, you know. And then I feel green pepper, chili pepper.
Yeah, man. Onions, red onions, sweet pepper, tomato.
This friggin' dish has been well thought out. Yo, I know what's surprising too. You know, miss a burger bun. Like the bun itself, like the breadfruit bun.
Red.
It have a wicked piece of vibe to it.
You can get it roast or fried. So if you want, that is a roast, that is a fried.
This one fried?
Yeah.
It have that kind of mellow, it feels soft same on the inside.
Yeah.
But like this.
It's a fried breadfruit burger. That. You can get a roast breadfruit burger too.
Guys.
Non-gluten. And then you have the nut cheese in it. Right? You can taste the nut cheese.
What?
A whole heap of complex flavor going on like this in here.
Tell us like flavorful, man.
Bro, like honestly, you guys drop comments and say you don't want to see some vegan type of thing, this or it, and this is one where I've had vegan burgers before where me eat it, you know. Yeah, me eat it and me say yeah, me feel like me eat some healthy, but this one actually feel fun to eat, like the flavors them when I nice, man, I'm not gonna lie.
And you can eat as much as you want, you can't get fat.
Yeah.
Bro, what's up? This is a bad piece of burger, this. How fashion now one are you?
No. You see that one now? And the moisture, ibby spice and so.
Yo, this one now wicked.
Ah.
No man, that one not bad. Yo, you know my love? The man them a cook like chef. Cause some man them a give you a burger, they must say okay, see one patty here which I meat, see bread here, see lettuce and tomato, see cheese and ketchup and it done. The man them put everything, sweet pepper, nut cheese, breadfruit, lettuce, tomato, the tamarind sauce with the dates. They might even just tamarind sauce alone, all dates tonight.
Let me tell you, guacamole sauce, tamarind sauce, yeah, pepper jelly nice.
Oh, pepper jelly, yeah, me feel it.
Strawberry pepper jelly. Right? And then you have the nut cheese. So you have about 4 different kind of sauces. Substitute for ketchup and mayo.
You know, I miss nothing. I swear to you,
Don't know.
this dish not missing a thing, brother. I'm not gonna lie, I'm skeptical still, like me I say, oh, I know, but I eat, man. Someone try that juice out, I'm not gonna lie.
One of the lotus and tamarind.
It's a breadfruit, man. I don't know something like breadfruit. I see me go up on beach rather than eat one whole of breadfruit, so I like this.
You see, this is good for your immune system.
Okay.
Because you see the two fruits we make it,
Yeah.
fully alkaline fruits. Tamarind, Jamaican tamarind, fully alkaline.
Okay.
This is Jamaican stinking toe. But the
Never had
scientific-
stinking toe before.
The
Nice.
scientific name for it is lotus.
Lotus.
Yeah. So in Guyana, them call it tough crust. They call it through the crust tough. Them call it tough crust. So a long time our ancestors are drinking them combination. I don't know. You understand me? But these people don't like stinking too. I'm gonna rather buy a can water more than drink something like this.
You mind if you dip on the video?
Stinking too.
You mind if you dip on the video?
Video?
Yeah. I just know some people might say, yo, show the face now. Then, no, but if that's your voice, that's fine, still. That's okay.
Yeah, man, the vice good.
That's good. You know, say me fall back down here still. Because I want to spot me that fall back down. For the food.
Yeah, kind of try the
Taste the
food.
pepper.
Let me tell you what we do. We know the rice, we know the flour, we know the carrot, we know the chunks, and we know the Irish potato.
Oh. You want to know, say we are left from another item spot. We just eat now.
Yeah?
And we can mash up this because it tastes good. Yeah, man. Tip on it. Vibe, food overall. Which one you get? That's so. Hands down. Vibe, food overall.
This one better.
I'm gonna try the stinking toe.
Shake it up.
Yeah, man, that may I
Pass
say.
it up again and shake it.
If you ever tried stinking toe,
You tumble.
drop in the comments and let me know. YouTube, baby.
Oh, this is YouTube.
YouTube, man.
What's the name of it?
SOAI.
Vlogs.
Yo!
Alright.
Yeah. Stand for Stuck on an Island Vlogs. Yo!
It is.
Primarily tamarind. I get primarily tamarind.
You know why? Because it's thinking to acts as a sugar.
Oh!
Because it's naturally sweet.
So you're not sweet and nice.
It's thinking to the sweet now. The sweet because the sourness of the orange, the tamarind and the sourness. Right? So the sweet now is thinking to. I want to use sugar in it. As you
It's
said,
nice.
the rice, the flour, the cabbage, the Irish potato, the chunks,
Yeah.
the carrot. Right? Because carrot is compromised. The Dutch experimented with carrot over 100 years ago to match the color of the flag. So the original color for carrot is supposed to be purple. You understand me?
Oh, that's the purple carrots.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when them say carrot good for your eyes, a lie. It's not good for your eyes. The donkey people good for your eyes. You buy and wash out. The thing where you pick off of the tree
Yeah.
and you wash out the eye with it.
Yeah.
That's in the 99% of the eye drops with marijuana. So when you buy eye drops, ganja and night and donkey people. But they're not going to tell you these things. They want you to buy the pharmaceutical products.
That one now. Yeah, because if I say 7 things out of the seed, 5.
5 things I can see.
I can imagine a whole heap of nutrients are coming out of that juice. I like that one now. You have a thing on TV them say about the amazing burger. Can't believe it's a burger. Some vegan something. What them sell a burger thing or whatever they want. You know what I talk about? Yeah, whatever they want to call it, right? This a burger, yeah?
You try?
No? I don't believe in them. They are trying to make. No, whatever. This burger is, well, overall, this spot in terms of a height of. You guys have seen the videos where I go Blue Mountains and eat up at the Rasta spot up there. So, the chefing done and I'm there. So, this one is by far the best one. Reason being, the way how the burger was prepared, how complex it looks simple, you know. At first when I saw it in the shelf, I was like, oh, okay. But when they put it together, sell it right off. And you don't eat mine already. Even as simple as the pumpkin seed them, I was just like, yeah man, a regular roasted pumpkin seed. So at the vibe, but when you bite in teeth, you get a whole heap of herbs and spice in it. Same way.
So don't eat the green pumpkin seed.
Yeah, I mentioned to them already. Yeah. So the green, you must say the green one is artificial.
First thing that though.
Yeah, when you go smoothies bar, right?
Yeah.
And they say them ask you for one pumpkin seed. And then with them again. And
Yeah.
so if you buy mixed nuts, then have it sprinkled in the
But why
mixed
them would
nuts.
do that?
Because Monsanto is manipulating the world with them genetically modified food. It's a mission them definitely.
Yeah.
Monsanto mission is to make the whole world go GMO so them can have genetically modified people walking around. So you gotta have human beings, but them are not human, them are like a empty shell. Because the food make them submissive. The food make you think a type of way. You know what I mean?
It's like the chicken and them say it have some antidepressant in it or something like that.
The chicken is not real food.
Exactly, so when you
You know what I mean?
eat it now, you feel that way. You see me?
The chicken is not real food, right? These are scraps of food from slavery. But we never educate ourselves to go back to the original food. So it become traditional food.
Yeah.
Instead of we go back to the original food, eating
The scrap.
food. And it's like your food are running from you and you try to run it down to catch it. You know what I mean? Imagine you have sex and the food where you eat to have sex. You know what I mean? And your body make a way there. But they're not living. You know what I mean?
I tell you, I said to her today, say, we go to the place and we in a little building, feel away, come on, kind of out of doors, isn't it?
Alright, why you think we don't promote this thing like commercially? Like out here and rare, you know?
Yeah.
Somebody have to tell you.
Oh, more organic the way the information goes.
It will get infected.
True.
It will get invaded. You understand me? It will get manipulated. All you need to do is just manipulate one person mind and I got the whole energy.
And I like because I see, I watch some little show where people do some little street food thing. And a little European will come in and them say, why don't you bring this food to Europe? Come to Europe and live here. I like, I realize the people in Malta say them not leave. They love their country and love what them do. So that's how the corruption can really start. When they go global, everybody come.
When you go far, you know, you'll get the GMO food. It have to be synchronized, you know? Everything have to be synchronized. Energy around the world, frequency energy.
So that fine say, with the support where you get just through word of mouth is sufficient. You know?
Yeah, because we give thanks to the energy, you know, because let me tell you something. It's not really a money thing, you know, as you can see.
Lifestyle.
It's just a money thing. Money is a part of it, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know.
Yeah.
But we don't make it be like,
Make it consuming.
it's not. Yeah, it's a life. It's a living to the car. You see, when Corona did just forward,
Yeah.
and the whole place shut down, we're still there, you know. It was a gate,
Yeah.
and we're still there, live with CMO,
Yeah.
CMO, eat CMO, and then the CMO, CMO. So they live with it. All the time nobody now watch. Still I live that way, the CMO.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Lifestyle.
Yeah. So I don't want to educate people. Right? Yeah, this is fitters. If you want to live, you drink this. Right? You
So
can't
the
go.
brand is Ebo. Right?
Ibo Spice.
Ibo Spice.
Yeah. Now, what happened with this now, right?
Yeah.
If anybody who want detox,
Yeah.
this is what you use to detox your body, right? But it's a set. You take it last thing at night,
Yeah.
and then you take it first thing in the morning, right? You can do a 5-day detox or a 7-day detox, right?
Yeah.
Your urine and your feces are going to look and smell different throughout the 5 or 7 days,
Yes.
depending on how much days you use. Because doctor can determine how sick you is by the color of your urine
True.
and by the color of your feces,
True.
the texture of your feces. You understand me? So if you want to live, this is it.
How much for this?
$500 for a bottle. So if you drink and smoke, there's a slime on your chest.
Yeah.
You need to use this to wash off the slime there.
Yeah.
That's if you drink and smoke, right? If you eat pig, hog, and you eat cow and goat, all the meat there,
Yeah.
you need this because you see your colon now, this wash out things out of your colon. There's a
Clean.
colon cleanser as well, right? So you see your colon, it wrapped around your torso,
Yeah.
you know, in various ways and shape. And if you let out your torso, your colon,
Yeah.
it's taller than your body, you know.
We know it's a long
It's like
thing.
twice the
Yeah.
size of your body.
Yeah.
But you see it wrapped around the torso and all the parts of your body,
Yeah.
right? No. When you eat certain food, some of the food itch up in your colon.
Yeah.
And that's how people catch colon cancer. Because you don't clean out the colon.
Ah.
Because some of the food itch up in some part, you can't get pushed out.
Yeah.
Because your colon is small like this, or even smaller, right?
Yeah.
Now, if your colon is this small, there's certain food don't design to pass through here.
this, yeah.
So that's why it's gonna get clogged up.
Okay.
And that's how some people have colon cancer, like that guy who died, the famous guy who come in a Black Panther.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Colon cancer.
Yeah, so this is one of the things, the products that you need. It's called Fitters, right? And these are some of the ingredients: spring water, aloe vera, cerci, rice bittern, guinean, and more. You understand me? So if you want to live,
So you take a shot in the
yeah,
morning.
yeah, you take 2 shots of this at night, last thing at night, and first thing in the morning. I
Okay.
make it go to toilet in the morning. Every morning I go to toilet for 5 days.
Okay.
Right? Yeah, this is nooning. Alright, now let me explain something. You see this. Alright. I have to go back in our Asian times. My ancestors have teaching me this. Now, this is called nooning. Me call it the increaser.
Yeah.
Increase every cells in your body.
Okay.
It's not just noonie alone. There's noonie and other stuff inside of it. Right?
Okay.
There's garlic in it and there's pepper in it, lots of stuff in it. Now, back in the days, right, in ancient time, our ancestors was in Africa, and they wanted to know how the gorilla heal themselves,
Okay.
right? Because the gorilla them always a fight for dominance position and all them things. Them always a fight for like them an alpha male. Sometimes them drop out a tree and hurt themselves and all
Yeah.
these things. So our ancestors watched them No, the gorilla now, when them get this big chop and scrape and cut and all them things, the gorilla find a nuni tree, right? No, the gorilla don't leave the nuni tree until him heal himself.
Okay.
No, so what the gorilla do now, him chew the neem, the fruit of the nuni, right? And got at a special time when he knows so the nuni is red, right? So him chew it, and when it gets sappy, him use it and paste and all of the cut and scrape and chop and that heal him. No. That information, our ancestors use this as a healer as well.
Yeah.
So that information they pass on to I and I from our ancestors and from way back then to this Iowa. So that's why we have the information.
If you use it.
Yeah, and we can pass on the information to the next Iowa.
Cause a long time here about knowing people that use it still, you know.
Some people call it Adobe SAP.
Adobe, yeah, look
because
like
they don't have the information about it.
Okay.
They don't know what it is. So them give all kind people here to them don't understand it.
True.
And get all kind of name on them things. But once you know the alkalicity inside of it, the medicine, the information they carry, they carry a very powerful medicinal information in it, where your body need, the I and I body need. You understand me? So anything where you see we show you, I think we'll I and I use as well.
Right.
You understand me? Yeah. These are some of the natural products. Them soap and make right here, sir. So the ayata where you see the rider, sir?
Yeah.
This is her product.
Oh, she made those stuff. Okay.
This is her product. So this is a mineral soap we use.
Yeah.
Because, alright, let me explain something now. Alright. One at a time, right?
Yeah.
Now, you see the reason why we use these soap, right?
Yeah.
Is because you see the Irish Spring, you see the Dove,
Chemical stuff.
the base of it is made from pig oil, from pork oil.
Oh wow.
Yeah, true.
Right?
Because again, lard.
Lard. So every soap have a base.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
This base is made from coconut oil, good for your skin. Now, when you buy an Irish Spring, or you buy a palm olive soap, or any of them local soap that you see at shop, chances are 99.9% of the chances are you're buying a soap that contains pig oil or chicken fat oil.
Yeah.
They're not gonna tell you, they have some scientific name for it.
Yeah.
So if you look on the back of your soap, you have some 15-letter word. Right? In that 15-letter word is pig oil.
Yeah.
In different names them use pig oil and chicken fat oil. If you break it down and go in them scientific dictionary. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Now, when you use them soap, right? First thing, your perspiration smell away.
Yeah.
That's the first thing, right? The reason why? Because it clog up your pores. Because the oil from the pig, you ever take somebody a DNA from an animal and put in your skin and talk you're gonna cleanse your body with it. No, mate, you're destroying your skin with it.
True.
You know what I mean? So, no care how it smells nice. This is just, those are just flavored water with pig oil.
Yeah.
That's all it is. You know what I mean? So, if you want natural stuff for your skin, this is what you need. Natural stuff. Okay?
Right.
Yeah, man. So, you have to, your body is the most important thing you ever own in your life. And the most expensive thing you ever own is your body. It's not your car or your house. So if you don't take care of your body, you're not gonna have the car in the house. So your first investment is invest in yourself. First investment.
What do you think about that, Tiffany?
I never know all
It's deep.
Deep bad.
It's deep, but you know, actually, as long as you preach, like, you always hear the talk say, take care of yourself, health-wise, before you get sick or whatever. Yeah. But I never think about my body itself as the most expensive thing on my own.
Yeah, look how long you spend money for yourself.
It's deep. So someone...
You have a car? How long you spend money? How long you have a car?
Years.
No, but you know you have a body. You have yourself.
For years, longer than that. Yeah.
Right? So when the family now spend money on you, you end up start spend money on yourself. When you lose your car or you sell your car or you don't no longer have your car, you still have yourself. But you still have to spend money for yourself.
Exactly.
You understand me? So it's not a house nor a car is the most expensive thing. It's your body, it's you yourself. You know what I mean?
calabash with the design. Them funny. You guys have been killing me about getting you guys some calabashes. So.
Lion, which part of them can get a carve out lion and a calabash?
Vibes.
Mm-hmm.
Them are neat. Neat.
The one with the ankh. Size as well.
Them are the vibes, that's right.
So we have different size and them things.
So you know the plain one?
Plain one, yeah man.
Right. This one have like a little angle this shot. Alright, so I know you guys always want me to get these, so I'm gonna try to stock some of these for you. Depending on how much money you have, I'm gonna get some of these and then you guys can probably jump on the store or whatever and cop them. So I got you guys a spoon. Drop in the comments, I'll make you guys have that, and also the pipe, and I'm gonna try to get some of these as well. Alright guys, so this is gonna be on the website for sale, soistore.com. You guys can check it out. This one I'm actually giving away, so this won't be on the site, but this one is really unique. I don't know how them actually carve out this in there, but there's an African, the continent is actually carved into it, really cool. And the way it carved proper, it's so smooth, it feels like something that was manufactured. You can see the different transitions between the wood, the different colors. This is blue maho.
Yeah.
Whoa. Awesome. So you guys know what type of wood makes it. And you don't know, you guys.
And this is the only way in the world you see a design like this.
Facts. I've never seen a spoon like that. And like you say, you can hang it up if you want.
Yeah.
So you don't have to eat with it if you don't want to eat it. You can just hang it up. It's
If you love Mama Africa, it's a good present.
Definitely.
Something good to keep. This one is different. This one we call it the presidential spoon.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Because the design and the uniqueness, it just look like something we have in the White House. You know what I mean?
Facts. I'd definitely come back and get some of those for myself. Because I always wanted some wooden spoons.
It's a good time for energy.
Yeah man, bless up in the eye.
Cyberspace. Kingston music to us. Yes.
That dog guy give me a wicked side eye, you know. Like it was a who you. We can't hardly hear your bag. Turn up your volume.
So this one is the ladder, huh? This is what we just did.
It tastes nice. This is the stuff on the this? Yeah.
This one golden.
This is the golden sea moss.
So these are gold. These are well South Africa.
Guys, Tiffany swears to me are a personal photographer. So we just take a quick little look a while ago by the around the area. One thing that we must note is that around here, a lot of artists has been around here, right? So come around here to eat and have food and stuff like that and to film different things. So yeah, I think around here is definitely a good vibe in terms of the whole Rasta feel that you want, natural stuff. We got educated in today's video on a lot of stuff, whether it's health-wise, food-wise, and let me just say, the food never tastes like one of those foods that you're like, okay, yeah, I eat vegan. It tasted really good, like I really enjoyed what they had. Don't know, Rasta colors and the best flag, biggest flag, don't know, Jamaican flag is there. And I like the, you know, the mixture of the zinc and how they colorize stuff, so it just have that very artistic thing around it. And I don't know, Rasta man them always have knowledge. So we see chess also. Is what I say, it's a brain game, brain food. It's a whole vibe. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really enjoying around here. So overall experience, what do you think, Tiffany?
I love it here.
I can see that you were at ease.
It's very peaceful. I feel very protected. I feel very safe. I feel very healthy right now.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie. I feel full, but the good kind of full. And yeah, I feel like when I go love it, so it's just a nice little vibes you don't want to put on a little any day.
And it's like, I think it's like a hidden gem.
Yeah.
To be honest, it's like one of those places that I've driven past time and time again. And they do have a pop-up market on the 21st of this month here. They say you'll find like foods and stuff that you never really see out there. Yeah.
But I think you guys would really love this. Ooh.
Vibes.
Bless up Bob Marley forever.
All the time. So you say overall experience you enjoy today. So it's your second time on Soai Vlogs as in like a day?
Yes, second time. It's been an amazing experience. Thank you, Steven.
No problem, man. It's a vibe. Always a vibe having Tiffany on. If you guys want to see more videos with Tiffany, drop in the comments. I'm trying to like keep...
Stop going like, no, I mean,
But you don't know the things that already. I like having good company around me and stuff. And today for me, it blew me away. At first I was like, okay, it was gonna be different, 'cause I never brought my camera inside and stuff. Film with the phone and stuff. But them welcoming, them willing to just give information, teach about food. I was impressed by that dish. That's a 10 out of 10 for me, that burger. Like there was no mistakes with that burger, so much nutrients and stuff. And it was great having a vibe in downtown Kingston where there's this like a natural kind of vibe. It's like a hole in the wall type of spot. That's what it's like.
Show them?
I think I'm gonna show them again, but it's a hole in the wall kind of spot with just those cool Rasta vibrations. I enjoyed it. But anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Already 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. Oh, and if you're a vegan, drop a like on the video because I did this one for you guys. Always remember, keep the link.
Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibe.